In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to Etsy so you can link your Etsy shop and manage print-on-demand products from Printify. To get started, log into your Printify account and open your dashboard. From here, look toward the top of the screen for the store selector, which may be labeled My New Store. Click the My New Store drop-down menu to view your store options. Then select Add a New Store. This is where Printify lets you connect an additional sales channel to your account. You'll now see the available platform integrations. Choose Etsy from the list to begin connecting your Etsy shop. Quick side note, for more practical Printify and Etsy tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. After selecting Etsy, click Continue. Printify will then prompt you to provide the details for your Etsy account. Follow the authorization prompts and sign in to the Etsy account associated with the shop you want to connect. This permission step allows Printify to sync products and orders with your Etsy store. Once you've completed the Etsy login and connection prompts, your Etsy shop will be linked to Printify. And that's it. You've successfully connected Printify to Etsy.